Hi everyone, I'm Professor Catherine Itsiopoulos. I'm a Professor of Nutrition and Dietetics, an accredited practicing dietitian, and I have a few decades of research on the impacts of diet and lifestyle on chronic disease, with a primary focus on the health benefits of a Mediterranean diet being an anti-inflammatory diet, on reversal and management of a broad range of chronic diseases.
Yeah, thank you. Can you please tell us why diet matters, just in general, and also specifically for long COVID people?
Well, diet is a very important part of our lifestyle. We have to eat to live, but you might have also heard of the term "you are what you eat," and essentially through diet we are nourished by all of the nutrients and energy and proteins and healthy fats and micronutrients and anti-inflammatory and antioxidant nutrients that the body needs for normal healthy functioning, growth, development, wound healing, and just general health and well-being. And specifically in chronic diseases and on the topic of long COVID, firstly, nutrition and healthy diet's important in healthy immunity, and we do know from studies that that people that that are not well nourished, that are following a poor diet, are more susceptible to infection, are more susceptible to COVID, and are more likely to develop the chronic conditions that present with long COVID. So staying healthy and eating a healthy diet is important in that early phase of prevention. But once you have developed chronic symptoms from long COVID, or you have a chronic disease, and what we mean by that is it could be cardiovascular disease or diabetes, metabolic syndrome, overweight, or even mental health conditions and anxiety and depression, because diet does affect mood. Once you are presenting with problems like this, then diet is critically important to help prevent further worsening of these conditions and to help reverse chronic diseases. So this is where our Eat.Move.Heal and Eat in particular resources come into play. On the website, what we have done is produced a range of resources to help individuals who are suffering from long COVID to understand how nutrition helps with health and well-being, and what the mechanisms are, how it works through the microbiome, through the gut, and systemically, and then how to do it. How to follow a healthy diet. So and in terms of the work that I've done through the ages, a Mediterranean diet which is rich in plant foods and colourful fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil and oil from fish, and nuts, and fermented foods like dairy, yogurt, and sourdough, healthy grains and cereals like sourdough bread. The combination of those ingredients provide important anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that are important in managing chronic disease and chronic conditions that result from long COVID. I have the pleasure now to introduce Dr. Jessica Danaher, who is an accredited practicing dietitian, a researcher and academic here at RMIT, who will talk about all of the details that we have on the website for Eat.Move.Heal, for the Eat part of Eat.Move.Heal. Thank you.